The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Monday morning? It is the 26th day of March, 4:05 in the morning, and as I make this, 54 degrees and a little brisk. I can already feel the wind coming up. Interesting meteorological situation today called a cool wedge, or in a lot of meteorological textbooks, it would be called CAD, cold air damming. I'll explain why this is a very tricky forecast, and always is when we have it about 6 or 7 or 8 times a year. Also, we've got then the warm-up. We've got a baseball game. We've got a major storm system later in the week, which I think will be a soaker. We're keeping a close eye on that storm system. Will it be out of here by the Easter weekend? I have got your Easter weekend forecast. We'll zero in on that. Glad you're here this morning. Let's get started.
So the key today will be easterly winds circulating around high pressure across the northeastern U.S., bringing in cooler air off the Appalachian chain. This is called a cool air wedge or cold air damming. And you can see 40s today in the Carolinas and Georgia, 55 at Auburn, 60 in Montgomery, and maybe near 75 in the Mobile area. Always a tricky forecast because how far west does the wedge go? Well, there could be a few spotty showers here and there, but I think the chances of rain are relatively small. Most of us will be dry. So a risk of a shower, sure. Breezy, cool, high 60, east winds 12 to 22 miles per hour. The farthest east you go in the state, the cooler the temperatures. Then you get into the 40s by the time you get into Georgia. Warmer tomorrow. Why? Because the winds shift around to the south and the wedge is gone. A mostly cloudy day, and I think we're dry. But for the Capital City Classic, which is a sellout, coming tomorrow evening at Riverwalk, 69 for the first pitch, 66 by the end. Very comfortable, mostly cloudy skies for that great game. A warm day on Wednesday, upper 70s to around 80, maybe a late day shower or thunderstorm, but a better chance of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night, and certainly a good bet for showers and storms on Thursday. Will they be strong, possibly severe? We don't know yet. There's no clear indication of that, but we watch every system this time of the year closely. There's Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms through the overnight hours. Looks like a soaker. More on that in a moment. Here's Friday morning. That looks very active. Maybe a couple of stronger storms as the front moves into South Alabama, and then eventually later on Friday, this is Good Friday, by the way, you can see the showers exiting southeast Alabama as we get ready for a nice Easter weekend. How much rain could fall? Near 1 inch, perhaps, for many of us across central and southeast Alabama. 1 to 2 inches in central Alabama. 2 inches or more north central, and then 4 inches or more in northwest Alabama. That's a soaker. Mostly sunny on Saturday. Easter weekend, comfortable. It should be a great forecast. I think we're at least in the low 70s. So I've got 72 tomorrow, and then near 80 on Wednesday with showers and thunderstorms coming in Wednesday night, but a better chance of showers and storms anytime Thursday night and through Friday morning before they start to edge out of the area. 72 the high on Good Friday, 73 on Saturday as Easter weekend is underway. Easter Sunday, I think we're in the mid to upper 70s, lows at night in the mid 50s. Sunrise for Easter sunrise service, 6:33 a.m. on Easter Sunday morning. I think it's a good holiday forecast. So we've got the cool Monday today with the wedge, then the warmer air as the winds shift around tomorrow and Wednesday, then the showers and thunderstorms Thursday night, Friday morning, then the nice Easter weekend. So pretty good forecast next few days. And here's the cool day we have today. The European only says a high of 56. Then it warms us up near 80 on Wednesday, and then a little cooler on Saturday. But Easter weekend looking pretty good, all things considered. Stay on top of weather changes with our advanced weather app. It has interactive radar, push notifications for watches and warnings, hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, and it knows where you are. When you go on the road, like if you're going out of town for Easter weekend, it'll give you the current weather and radar and warnings for that particular area. Really nice.
So yeah, what a big contrast today from yesterday and Saturday when we had highs in the lower 80s. We'll be barely near 60 today in Montgomery, and the farther east you go towards Auburn, it'll only be in the mid-50s at best, with the winds making it seem cooler. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, Emily, and Bailey the Wonder Dog, who is out there wandering around somewhere right now. Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on 8 radio stations. That's the Blue Water family of stations, 256 times a day. And there'll be, again, a video tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. as we continue to watch this storm system later in the week and its potential severe weather possibilities. Well, that's a little unknown right now, but we'll take a closer look at that. I'll see you later. I can hear the wind coming up behind me here. It's going to be a brisk day.
Rich Thomas weather.